Hello, once more. It's Tommy Stewart, in case you don't know. Today I'm going to talk about PageBuilder. It's a piece of software that's been put together by a chap called Mathew, and it's due to be released to the public for purchase on the 15th of December. And it will cost you $37. It's a one-off payment. After you've bought it, you've bought it. There's nothing else to pay. I say that because some softwares that are available similar to this, you have to pay a monthly fee. This is a one-off fee. It's easy to use, and it's slick, and it's mega fast. Built to be very fast. It's a funnel builder, and with it you get dozens of templates optimized for speed. It's mobile optimized. In other words, if you have a mobile, it's all tuned up for that. It's SEO friendly. It's got a drag and drop facility. No coding skills are required, because it's cloud-based, and so there's nothing to download in that department, and you don't have to go and buy a domain because it's not necessary with cloud-based software. There isn't a lot to talk about with regards to this. It's, like I say, just software that's built for speed, efficiency, got funnels, optimized for SEO. Whatever you think you would need in page building, it's got it. Mathew is an interesting person, the guy that's put it together. He came from abroad somewhere, I'm not quite sure where, but he started his career in the industry, the internet industry, in the year 2008. I think it was 2008. So he's not long here at it, and he's a very popular chap from what I can see. He's worth looking up. If you get time, I would have a look at him, because he's a very likeable chap, very honest. He's put together this PageBuilder Pro at a good price, an honest price, and I think he's putting out good value. So have a bash at it. I think it's worth the money. If you look below here, you'll see my domain, Tommy Stewart, and if you click on it, you will find that I will give you 5 bonuses if you purchase this software whilst you're here in my web space. Other than that, there isn't an awful lot to talk about, so it's a nice day out there, and I'm going to go and enjoy it, and I'll leave you now, and I'll talk to you another time soon. Thank you. Bye bye.